Hey all, welcome to today's video. Today we're here at our first stop already. I'm gonna go ahead and get a quick workout in. Over the summertime, since I'm not on campus anymore, I work out at Anytime Fitness here in my local hometown of Greenfield. So I'm gonna go ahead, get a good about hour workout in, and then we'll go ahead, hop back in here, and then head and go do the detail. All right, so just got done doing morning workout. I love doing morning workouts because it really just helps me wake up in the morning, really gets me motivated to do everything else during the day. But we're running a little bit behind here now, so what I'm gonna go ahead and do is go ahead and head over and start detailing this Corvette. All right, just showed up here on location. It's starting to rain a little bit, but luckily the person has a garage here, or not a garage, a barn. He's a farmer, stores all his farm equipment in there. So he also stores his Corvette in there. So luckily we get to be inside today, so having to detail out in the rain or having to reschedule for a different time. So I'm gonna go ahead, give you guys a quick walk around. What we're gonna do is a engine, wash, wax, and clay, plus interior on this. He wants to get it show ready for, because it is springtime, wants to take it to some shows. So I'll give you guys a quick walk around. It's pretty dirty. He's been sitting for about a year. He sat out here in the barn. Like I said, he's a farmer. So all the dust and dirt and stuff from all the farm equipment and stuff, and having the doors open and then them plowing the fields brings in more dust. So, but yeah, I'll give you guys a walk around, show you guys what we're trying to work with today. All right, so a little update for you guys. I washed about half the car. I'll show you guys how much dirt that I really pulled off this car. Now you can't really see it here. We'll move over to the hood, but this side's looking, turning out really nice. And holy, you can really see the difference of how much dirt. I didn't realize it was that bad, but you can see just how much dirt from the clean side over here to dirty side over here. All right, so I'll give you guys a quick update. It's been about, I'd say 30, 45 minutes since the last update I gave you guys. Went ahead, finished washing the rest of the vehicle. came out really nice. Went ahead and polished up the wheels real quick, threw on some tire shine, sprayed some hyper dressing in the wheel wells, and I mean, that paint looks amazing in my opinion, especially for how I think the owner said this is original paint, and it looks great. So we're gonna go ahead and do is I already looked underneath the engine bay too, cleaned up some stuff under there, went ahead and started it, make sure everything was fine, which I knew it was gonna be after cleaning under there, just to help me be less worried. I went ahead and started it, ran just fine. I'll include a clip for you guys so you guys can hear this beast. But now we're gonna go ahead, move on to this interior. It's not bad. I mean, it's not like it's a daily drive or anything. It's just white seats. We'll have to clean those up. Probably use a magic eraser. White door panels too. And see anything else? No, it doesn't look like anything else. So, but we'll go ahead and I may show you guys some of that. I don't know. I've showed you guys a lot of interior stuff, so I don't know if I'm going to show all of it. I may just show little bits and pieces of me cleaning up the center console here, just because this little area is a little bit different than what you guys mostly seen. But cleaning the seats and the carpets and stuff, I think I'll probably just leave that out. Alright, so I want to give you guys another update. Just went ahead and finished up the interior. All that's left now to do is clean up the carpets a little bit. There's a few little spots, stains here and there, and then to vacuum it out because the carpet's really old, so there's a lot of the carpet fibers themselves coming out of the carpet, so I'm going to have to spend some time vacuuming to make sure I remove all of that. And then now what I'm going to go ahead and do is do my quick polishing up on all the chrome. Doing classic cars is a love-hate relationship because I love doing classic cars. It's so fun to see how stuff used to work back in the day, but also it's a pain in the ass because there's a lot of intricate stuff that you got to work around. There's a lot of stuff that's really fragile because it's old that could break. It's usually a lot of chrome that needs to be polished, so I'm going to polish the valve covers underneath the hood there, and then this little back storage compartment area too could use a little bit of help. It's a little bit pitted, as you guys can see there. And then once I do that, I should be able just to, now I'm gonna do my quick spray wax, wipe it down, and it'll be all set. I'll let the customer know it's all ready. All right, so I went ahead and just finished up the detail. It took a lot longer than I expected. It was dirtier than I expected. Originally when I looked at the vehicle yesterday, I didn't really think it was too bad, but today, upon actually cleaning it, it's a little bit worse than I thought, but nothing too major. I mean, other than that, detail went fine. Paint looked great on this. Wheels came out great too. Like I said before, I polished them up. Tire shine, interior came out great. I know I didn't really show you guys anything of the interior because I've showed you guys a lot of interior stuff, but interior came out great. A little bit I did have to clean, a few little spots here and there. Motor came out great. I don't want to lift the hood right now since I have the camera in my hand. Alright, and that's going to conclude today's video. If you guys want to see more videos, make sure you hit subscribe, and if you guys like the video, go ahead and hit the like, and if you guys want to leave any comments, leave them down below in the comment section.